In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit records in bulk from the object index page in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know how to quickly update multiple contacts at once right from the list view, saving you time and keeping your data consistent. First, open HubSpot and log in with your account. If you're starting from a search engine, just search for HubSpot and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit records. If you don't, you may not see the bulk edit option. Once you're in, head to the CRM area, then go to Contacts. This is the object index page for your contacts, the main list where you can view and manage records. To make bulk changes easier, switch to the table view, sometimes called the list view. This layout shows your contacts in rows with checkboxes, which is exactly what we need for a bulk edit. Now identify the contacts you want to update. Click the checkboxes beside each contact to select them. You can select just a few or as many as you need. A quick tip: if you're targeting a specific group, consider applying filters first so you're only selecting relevant records. That can help prevent accidental changes. After you've made your selections, look for the bulk actions bar that appears and click edit. This opens a panel where you can choose which property you want to update for all the selected contacts. Use the property dropdown to search for the field you need. For example, let's say you want to update the status property. Select status from the list so we can set a new value for it. Next, choose the new status value. You'll typically see a dropdown with predefined options. Pick the one that applies to all the contacts you've selected. Remember, this change will be applied uniformly, so be sure the value is correct for every record you selected. If different contacts need different values, it's best to run separate bulk edits. When you're ready, click Update to confirm. HubSpot will process the change and apply it across all selected records. Depending on how many contacts you selected, this may take a moment. Once it's done, you'll see the updated value reflected in the table. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust your selection and run another edit to fix it. That's it. Open HubSpot and log in. Go to CRM and Contacts, switch to Table View, select your contacts, choose Edit. Pick the property like status, select the value, and click Update. Follow these steps and you'll keep your data clean and consistent in just a few clicks.